In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora AI. Video App Beginner's Guide, 2025. A Python fall from ceiling in the restaurant, Scenecraft. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sora. You're looking for the official Sora site, which is the AI video tool. If you see multiple results with similar names, choose the one that clearly references the video generation experience. This will make sure you're in the right place to create your scene. Once you're on the Sora website, you'll be in the Explore or Creation area where you can describe the video you want. This description is called a prompt. Think of your prompt as the script and the director's notes combined. The clearer you are about the setting, the tone, and the action, the better Sora will understand what to generate. For this example, we'll craft a playful, cinematic moment. Here's the prompt you can use. A chaotic but humorous moment in a teppanyaki restaurant where a giant harmless python drops onto the cooking table, sending the chef and customers scrambling while the confused snake sits calmly amid the flying shrimp and sizzling steam. Notice how it specifies the mood as humorous, emphasizes that the python is harmless, and paints a vivid picture with details like flying shrimp and steam. Those sensory cues help the model produce richer visuals. If you want to guide the style even more, you can add camera language right in the prompt, such as wide establishing shot, then quick handheld close-ups, or describe lighting like warm tungsten indoor lighting with steam backlight. You can also hint at pacing, for example, fast cuts for the scramble, then a calm lingering shot on the python. If the tool supports it, you can include aspect ratio or duration cues in the text. Keep sentences concise, avoid contradictions, and prioritize the most important details first. After your prompt looks good, click Create Video. Sora will process your request and begin rendering. Depending on complexity and length, this can take a little time. Keep the tab open while it works. If your first result feels too intense or too tame, adjust a few keywords in the prompt. Terms like lighthearted, brief, gentle chaos, or no harm can meaningfully shift the outcome without rewriting everything. That's it. You searched for Sora, opened the official site, wrote a clear, detailed prompt, and started the generation. With a bit of practice, you'll find the right balance of specificity and flexibility to get exactly the scene you imagined.